Hello students! To reach the ladder of democracy, we will do a quick session of important civics board exam MCQs for 2025. Let us begin with Chapter 1, Working of the Constitution. Question 1. In Maharashtra, dash seats are reserved for women in local self-governing institutions 2019. Options are A. 25%, B. 30%, C. 40%, D. 50%. And the correct answer is D. In Maharashtra, 50% of seats are reserved for women in local self-governing institutions. Question 2. The essence of democracy is dash 2019, 2023, 2022. The options are A. Universal adult franchise, B. Decentralization of power, C. The policy of reservation of seats, D. Judicial decisions. And the correct answer is B. The essence of democracy is decentralization of power. Next question. Question 3. Which of the following laws created a favorable environment for women to secure freedom and self-development? 2023. The options are A. Right to Information Act, B. Dowry Prohibition Act, C. Food Security Act, D. Right to Education Act. And the correct answer is option B. The Dowry Prohibition Act created a favorable environment for women to secure freedom and self-development. Next question, question 4. Dash has made the government more transparent. A. Equality, B. Freedom, C. Right to information, D. Social justice. And the correct answer is option C. Right to information has made the government more transparent. Question 5. What are the two features of good governance? A. Popular liberal, B. Efficient democratic, C. Transparent responsible, D. Equality decentralization. And the correct answer is C. Transparency and responsibility are two features of good governance. What do you think about 50% reservation for women in local bodies? Well, let us understand this with our MCQs on Chapter 2, the electoral process. Question 1. Who was the first voter from the state of Himachal Pradesh? A. Sukumar Sen, B. Shyam Sharan Negi, C. Prem Kumar Ghumal, D. P. N. Chadda. The correct answer is B. Shyam Sharan Negi. Question 2. When were the first elections in India held? A. 1948 to 49, B. 1949 to 50, C. 1950 to 51, D. 1951 to 52. And the correct answer is D. The first elections in India were held in 1951 to 1952. Question 3. Who was appointed as the first Chief Election Commissioner of Independent India? And the options are A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. T. N. Session, C. Sukumar Sen, D. Neela Satyanarayan. And the right answer is option C. Sukumar Sen was appointed as the first Chief Election Commissioner of Independent India. Next question, question 4. In our country, we have a dash system. Options A. One party, B. Two party, C. Multi-party, D. None of these. And the correct answer is option C. In our country, we have a multi-party system. Now question 5. Constituencies are created by the Dash Committee of the Election Commission. A. Selection, B. Delimitation, C. Voting, D. Timetable. And the correct answer is B. Constituencies are created by the Delimitation Committee of the Election Commission. Top Scholars MCQs on Chapter 3, Political Parties. Question 1. The Justice Party, a non-Brahmin movement, was transformed into which political party? 2019. A. Assam Gan Parishad, B. Shiv Sena, C. Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, D. Jammu and Kashmir National Conference. The correct answer is C. The Justice Party, a non-Brahmin movement, was transformed into Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam political party. Question 2. The ideology of the Communist Party of India is based on which philosophy? Options A. Capitalist, B. Marxist, C. Democracy, D. Imperialist. And the correct answer is B. The ideology of Communist Party of India is based on Marxist philosophy. Question 3. The party that fails to secure a majority is known as the Dash Party. A. Ruling, B. Opposition, C. Independent, D. Coalition. And the correct answer is B. The party that fails to secure a majority is known as the opposition party. Now question 4. The Bharatiya Janata Party was formed in 1980 after a split with which component of the Janata Party? Options are A. Jan Sangh, B. Lok Dal, C. Independent Party, D. Janata Dal. And the correct answer is A. The Bharatiya Janata Party was formed in 1980 after a split with Jan Sangh, a component of the Janata Party. Now question 5. The National Conference is a party in which region? A. Odisha, B. Assam, C. Bihar, D. Jammu and Kashmir. And the correct answer is D. The National Conference is a party in the Jammu and Kashmir region. Remember, democracy comes with an exchange policy. Let us figure out together with our MCQs on Chapter 4, Social and Political Movement. Now question 1. What is the main demand of the farmers' movement 2019-2023? A. Right to cultivate on forest land. B. To get the right price for agricultural products. C. Protection of consumers. D. Building of dams. And the correct answer is B. The main demand of the farmers' movement is to get the right price for agricultural products. Now question 2. To increase agricultural production and become self-sufficient in food grains, dash was initiated 2020. A. Water revolution. B. Green revolution. C. Industrial revolution. D. White revolution. And the correct answer is B. Green revolution. To increase agricultural production and become self-sufficient in food grains, the Green Revolution was initiated. Now question 3. In 1986, dash came into existence. The options are A. Consumer Protection Act, B. Trade Union Act, C. Right to Information Act, D. Dowry Prohibition Act. And the right answer is option A. In 1986, the Consumer Protection Act came into existence. Question 4. Dash was established in 1920, 2023. A. Farmers' Organization, B. Bharatiya Kisan Union, C. All India Trade Union Congress, D. All India Kisan Sabha. The correct answer is C. The All India Trade Union Congress was established in 1920. Question 5. Dash is one of the problems faced by consumers. A. Cancellation, B. Malnutrition, C. Adulteration, D. Transportation. And the right answer is option C. Adulteration is one of the problems faced by consumers. We have some important MCQs from Chapter 5, Challenges Faced by Indian Democracy. Question 1. To make democracy meaningful, the Government of India adopted dash. A. Internal party elections, B. Public welfare schemes, C. Decentralization of power, D. Protection of democratic values. The correct answer is C. To make democracy meaningful, the Government of India adopted decentralization of power. Question 2. The Naxalite movement began to remove injustice done to dash. A. Workers and Dalits, B. Middle and lower class, C. Poor and common class, D. Landless farmers and tribals. And the correct answer is D. The Naxalite movement began to remove injustice done to landless farmers and tribals. Now question 3. The major challenge faced by all democratic nations in the world is dash. 2024-2019. A. Religious conflicts, B. Naxal activities, C. Deepening the roots of democracy, D. Importance of muscle power. And the right answer is option C. The major challenge faced by all democratic nations in the world is deepening the roots of democracy. Now question 4. The main objective of democracy is dash. A. To hold elections, B. Public welfare, C. Public campaigns, D. Social work. And the correct answer is B. The main objective of democracy is public welfare. Now question 5. In a democracy, dash participate in elections and get political power. A. Political parties, B. Courts, C. Social organizations, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. In a democracy, political parties participate in elections and get political power. Do you think the Constitution is on a diet? Best wishes for your exam.